Good morning. I don't want Armadillo to go outside. Give me that. Piggy, get out. Pickles, no. I don't want them to go outside. Go on, go. Oh, it's my old girl. Oh, it's Kiss. Whee! On today's menu, lamb hot pot, a different dog. We're going to defrost chicken casserole for later. And you guys are always asking me, my bowls are from April Mix Pottery. I don't work with her, you know, I paid full price for them. Ro has one coming at the minute. She's got just a normal one from a different dog. I'm obsessed with them. They really make my days happier. Kiss. Minnie. Pretty. Is that in your bed? Is it? Is that in your bed still? I don't think it is. Go on. Joey. Joseph. Joey. Hi. Morning. Hello. This is Jane. Time to get some work done. I'll exercise them after work today.